Hey everyone, for the last few weeks, I've been using the transitions in the Cinepunch bundle. I've been super impressed with the huge amount of high quality content you get for the price. Plus, it's great how adding these transitions is as easy as dragging them onto your timeline. In seconds, I got this insane looking glitch transition. And this is only one of hundreds of different transitions, including many more glitch ones that are just as cool as this one. Okay, now let's walk through adding the Cinepunch bundle to your project. First, double-click inside the project panel to import a new file. Then in your downloaded Cinepunch folder, open up the Transition Punch project file. Now make sure you select Import Entire Project, and check these first two checkboxes before hitting OK. Keep in mind that it might take a little while to export since the pack is so large. Alright, and there's the pack in the project bin. But before you use it, you'll want to make sure the overwrite setting on your timeline is toggled to white. And you'll also need to toggle this first V1 track off. Otherwise, the transitions won't work right. That's it for the setup, so now you can open up the Transitions Punch folder where you'll find a transition subfolder. Inside of it, you'll find 70 different types of transitions, with each type containing many unique transitions. Just find the transition you want, and then simply drag and drop it above your video clip on the timeline. But make sure that the transition's cut is lined up with the cut between your clips so that the transition plays back as intended. Just like that, I added this professional looking slide transition in seconds. Notice how each transition comes with a matching sound effect so you don't have to waste time finding audio that fits each transition. Adding transitions is easy, but since there's so many, you may want to preview them before adding them to your timeline. An easy way to do that is to change the view in the project panel to icon view. Then navigate to the category of transitions you like. And now you can simply move your cursor across each transition to watch the preview of it. Once you find one you like, simply drag it onto your timeline like before. There's so many creative ones in this pack that I haven't seen anywhere else. It's really fun just to play around and see what's in there. If you don't care about the sound effects, an even easier way to use these transitions is by adding them to your effects panel. In the effects panel, right-click the presets folder and select Import Presets. In the Cinepunch Packs folder, open up the Transition Punch presets. Then open up Install, and double-click the Transition Punch V5 file to open it up. Alright, now you'll find a new Transitions Punch folder under presets with all the different transitions from the pack. Adding these works a little bit differently than the other ones. First, you'll need to add the out version of the transition to the first clip, and then add the in version to your second clip. And that's it, I have a really nice transition using presets. I love the transitions, but I wouldn't be doing the Cinepunch bundle justice if I didn't mention that it also has over 10,000 other assets, including a large selection of effects like the ones I'm showing here. It has a bunch of different kinds of overlays, including particle ones, film grains, glitches, and many more that you're seeing in this video. I'm especially a big fan of the smoke one since it looks so realistic and makes my videos look cinematic. There's even a big pack of lens flares in here to make your videos more atmospheric. If you follow this channel, you guys probably realize how I like to do things fast, so the best part for me is how easy all the content is to use. The bundle also has a ton of different color grading and LUT packs to give you whatever look you're going for. I've noticed a lot of content creators try to sell you a few LUTs or transitions for a high price. This, on the other hand, is a huge value, and I really like how it's just a one-time purchase in a world where everything is a subscription. So if you'd like to get an awesome pack, definitely check out the link in the description. But that's all from me, so thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.